LA Shelf Wooden Changing Table, Natural, discontinued by LA Baby is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Wood changing table with 2 storage shelves. This all-wood frame changing table in natural finish has enclosed changing top with 2 shelf levels for storage. Waterproof and stain-resistant changing pad included. Safety harness with quick-release buckle included. Beautifully stained wood with non-toxic finish. Care and cleaning: wood surfaces should be wiped clean with a dry cloth, and changing pad can be cleaned with mild soap and water. Protective qualities: chip and water resistant. Maximum weight capacity, 30 pounds. Manufacturer's suggested usage age, 1 month and up. 3 shelf wooden changing table is made of the finest quality hardwoods. It has 4 coats of lacquer that are applied to give finish a rich luster. This meets or exceeds all ASTM and CPSC standards. It has open shelves for easy access and plenty of storage. Made of the finest quality hardwoods. 4 coats of lacquer are applied to give finish a rich luster. Meets or exceeds all ASTM and CPSC standards. Open shelves for easy access. Plenty of storage.